Today we're going to talk about how to use the inbox in Canvas. So over here on the left in your Canvas navigation, under calendar, you should see an inbox. When you click that, it looks kind of like an email-ish type thing. And up here in the top left, you can do all courses, so I can see all courses at the same time. I can see favorite courses, so these would be my courses. I can see concluded courses. And so in my favorite courses, I could search for any course that I wanted to look at, just the one. And so this is the only message I have from anybody in that course. I could look at other ones to see if I have any messages from those. And so you can look at any course that you want to. And then I can also look and see, okay, so this is my inbox. I can look at just unread from that course. I can look at just starred messages from that course. I can look at just sent messages from that course, archived messages, or any kind of submission comments. So I'm just going to do inbox. And so I can mark that as unread if I want to, or mark it as read. I can come, when I hover over it, this little star pops up and I can star it as important. I can click this to check it and then decide to download it, delete it, forward it, whatever I need to do with it. And then up here in the top, I can compose a new message, and we'll get to that in a minute. Or I can search for a name within the course that I'm in. And so that pops up right over here on the left. So to compose a message, I need to click this square with the pencil in it. And the course that I'm in already, it picks that automatically for me. I can pick a different course from here to send a message to. I can decide to just type in some names, or I can come over here to this little person on this little book for my contacts, and I can do everybody in the course, teachers and students. If I click on students, I can do all students. If I go back and click on teachers, I can do all teachers. Or like I said at the beginning, I can just click all and it would send it to everybody. So let's say that I just want to send a message to all the students. Then I do a message. Let's say that I am revising a due date. I'm going to extend the due date. And so I'm going to send a message and say, for the Canvas assignment that was due on Friday, June 9th, the due date is extended to Friday, June 16th. And so that just gives a short little message. I suggest clicking this box right here if you're sending to more than one person. That way, if somebody responds, it's not responding to the whole group. It's just responding back to you. I can upload a file or upload or record media for this message, and then I will just hit send. Now, when you send a message, that is going to come into their Canvas inbox, but it's also going to go into their Gmail inbox. A student will get an email, if they have their notifications set up correctly, in their actual Gmail account saying, such and such sent you a message in this Canvas course, and here's what it says. They can actually reply straight from that Gmail email to you, and it will come into your Canvas. And I'm going to show you what that looks like. Maybe I deleted it. I think I did. And so it will come back as just from their Gmail, but it will be in your inbox in Canvas. So there are a few ways they can respond, either through the email or in Canvas. And that is all about the inbox from Canvas. I want to show you one more thing while we're talking about sending messages. If you go into a course and you go to grades, and you look up here at the top, you see all your assignments. There are 3 dots that pop up when I hover over the assignments. If I click those 3 dots, I can message students who. So if I click that, I can message students who have not submitted it, for the ones that haven't been graded, for everybody who scored more than a number or less than a number, or ones that I've reassigned. So let's say that I'm going to message the ones that haven't submitted. I'm going to send message to those 18, and I can hit show, and it would show me who those recipients are. And then the subject, it automatically makes it for you, no submission for this assignment. And then I could type a message. I can just send a message saying, hey, it's due tomorrow. You need to work and get it done. And just send a friendly reminder, hey, you have like a little more than 24 hours. Or I can upload a file, or I can record an audio or video comment and send it to them. And when I hit send, then it sends it through the inbox. So this is just another way to send a message. And it kind of includes all of them who are in a certain category at one time. And that's pretty much it on inboxing and messaging through Canvas.